Hey guys, welcome. Here's a walk around the EMU RV motorhome. So very simply, I know it sounds like telling you how to suck eggs, but opening the door. You can see how hard some people make this look. This door handle pulls just out and in, not across. So as you pull it, if you pull it out and then across, it is very easy. Also, when you're shutting this door, if you use the momentum of the door and again, pull the handle out and then just let the door do the work, makes it very easy. This door can also be opened from the inside. There is a handle there. So if you reach around, a lot of people don't know that, you can just open it from here. It's still technically on the outside. Your step switch is permanently powered. Your button here, in and out. On the outside, we've got three main lights. You've got the awning strip light, and then you've got the spotlights front and rear. These are individually switched. When Gary goes around with the electrics inside, he'll explain where they're switched and how they operate. Down here we've got a gas barbecue bayonet. This will fit a baby barbecue under the storage inside, which is really cool with the thermometer. So a lot of people want ovens. This will allow you to oven cook outside. Anyway, you can connect here, run your hose, you can get it away from the van. Really clever way of cooking. Here's a optional bike rack that this customer's ordered. You can see here, levers down, and then across. We can lever this right out of the way and then open the doors. Yeah, really good option for the people that like riding. Also can carry up to 54 kilograms, so your electric bikes, whack two of them on there and off you go. On the side of the van around here, this is your water tank for when you're not at a caravan park. This is your holding tank, the fresh water. We also have grey water, which I'll show you in a second here. This is where you fill your water tank from. This is your hot water system exhaust. You don't really need to do anything here. So to undo this water tank, it's a little bit like a safety lock on a medicine bottle. I'll show you now. So your key goes in, it's a half turn, push and turn, it will come undone. Same to put it on, push in and turn, half turn on the key, pull it out, locked. Over there is your holding tank. This is your town water, your mains connection. So this is where you could plug a hose in if you're at a caravan park or at a home, or you can simply run off your water tank. Here is the drain for the grey water tank, simply on a ball valve, just open and close from here. If you've got bad water or you decide you want to drain your tank, right here, there's a drain on your freshwater tank, nice and simple. Here is the toilet cassette. We'll go into more detail with this once we do the video on the bathroom, but simply you can access it from here. Very easy and simple to use. So to lock your toilet cassette, simply a half turn. There you go, locked. To unlock the toilet cassette, key in, half turn, remove. And the technique to open these, which a lot of people get caught with, 2 fingers pressed together to then open. If you only press one, it'll get caught. So 2 together, simple as that. Here's the inlet for the motorhome. We supply the motorhome with a set of hoses and leads to get you started. The lead we will supply is 15 amp to suit the motorhome. If you want to plug in at home, Bunnings has a converter readily available, which is 15 to 10 amp with a circuit breaker built in. This is the correct way to do it at home. Quick tip, make sure you push this shut so it's not flapping in the wind when you're driving. Final thing on the exterior, as we go into the interior, are the fly screens. The side and the rear are very much the same. Pretty simple in their operation, but I'll show you anyway. Here we go. Pretty self-explanatory in its operation. Biggest benefit obviously is the magnets. Rolling up when you don't want to use it, and that's it.